Could you benefit from an additional $200,000? That's how much a Russian robotics business is ready to pay someone willing to give up the rights to their face and voice for use in robot development for the rest of their lives. According to sources, they're seeking for a gentle and welcoming look. If you want to earn $200,000 as well and want to know everything about this company, keep watching this video till the end. Welcome to the Future Tech Lab, and today we are going to tell you about the new Promobot tech company offering $200,000 to use your face. Promobot, a robotics startup, is selecting a candidate whose likeness will serve as the new face and voice for a new humanoid robot it is developing. According to a corporate news release, the robotics company has given someone $200,000 for their face and voice to be used on a humanoid robot for usage in hotels, malls, and other crowded locations. The news announcement added, Promobot got over 20,000 applications. The Promobot firm wishes to express its gratitude to everyone who has shown interest in participating in the initiative. We have received over 20,000 applications today, and our customer has opted to halt the collection of requests. Those who were unable to submit an application due to a lack of time need not be concerned. We will be launching additional initiatives in the near future. Stay up to date by following us on Instagram based on the Promobot website. The organization estimates that selecting the ideal applicant will take up to a year. The face and body of Promobot's humanoid robot will be created using 3D modeling technology. According to the business, the chosen person who will donate their voice to the new robot will need to record roughly 100 hours of conversation to offer enough material for the robot to use. When a candidate is picked, the corporation does not disclose whether or not it will divulge its identity. They now bring food to 20 campuses in the United States, with another 25 to follow soon. They're also on the streets of Milton Keynes, England, Modesto, California, and Tallinn, Estonia, where the firm was founded. Delivery services are also entering the market. Grubhub recently teamed up with Yandex, a Russian robot manufacturer, to deploy 50 robots on Columbus, Ohio's Ohio State University campus. Grubhub intends to expand its campus network in the near future. However, the business emphasizes that the service will remain limited to universities for the time being. According to NPD, a statistics and consulting business, delivery orders in the United States increased by 66% in the year ending in June. Customers have grown accustomed to the convenience of delivery. Thus, demand may stay high long after the pandemic has passed. However, robots do not necessarily result in the loss of delivery employment. In the midst of the current COVID-19 epidemic, robotics and delivery firms have grabbed at the potential to deploy robots to improve contactless deliveries and other hospitality services. Hundreds of tiny robots are already exploring college campuses and even certain city sidewalks around the United States, the United Kingdom, and other parts of the world. At the same time, robots had been tried in small quantities before COVID-19. Nevertheless, these corporations make their claim that pandemic-related labor shortages and rising demand for contactless delivery have hastened their implementation. Demand for robot use suddenly went through the roof, said Alastair Westgarth, CEO of Starship Technologies, which recently delivered its 2 millionth robot. I believe demand was always there, but the pandemic effect accelerated it. The fleet of Starship now contains over 1,000 robots, up from just 250 in 2019. Hundreds more will be deployed in the near future. On the contrary, they even assist in the creation of certain of them. For example, Bowling Green didn't provide delivery from campus eating establishments before Starship's robots came. However, Bowling Green dining spokesperson John Zachrich said the company had employed more than 30 workers since then to serve as runners between kitchens and robots. According to Brendan Witcher, a technology analyst with the research company Forrester, it's tempting to get enthusiastic about the Jetsons-like idea of robot delivery. But in the end, robots will have to show that they provide a competitive edge in some way. It's possible that we'll see something new emerge from this, he remarked. However, now is the ideal time and location for businesses contemplating robots to put them to the test, learn from them, and conduct their own review. According to Promobot, humanoid robots may be used in a variety of settings. The need for a face and voice is allegedly for an American firm that wants to send Promobot's RoboC robots to malls, airports, and other public places in North America and the Middle East. As a result, the Robo-C has a more human-like appearance than its V.4 counterpart, despite the fact that they have similar capabilities. Age, gender, or ethnicity are not determining considerations in the selection of the face, according to the corporation, and anybody over the age of 25 can apply for the position on their website. First, the business will create a 3D model of the winner's face and physique. Then, the winner will be required to dictate over 100 hours of speech to create a synthetic replica capable of saying whatever Promobot's clients desire. Finally, in 2023, the robot with the chosen person's look and voice will begin to appear. According to Newsweek, one critical fact was among the material no longer visible on the Promobot site. In addition to their likeness, the chosen candidate will have to transfer the rights to their voice to the corporation, in addition to creating a 3D model of the applicant's face and physique. The procedure will entail recording over 100 hours of conversation to give the robot's voice material, according to Indy 100. While Promobot is based in Russia, it claims to have been formed in Philadelphia, according to Gizmodo. Now, transferring the rights to your voice or your face doesn't seem very troublesome at first, but there may be a lot of legal complications that you may have never imagined. For example, if you transferred the rights to your voice and you want to pursue singing as a career, you won't be able to do that. You can't just upload the video of you singing to some social media site, for example, YouTube, and monetize it, because the rights to your voice have already been transferred. Similarly, you won't be able to monetize your face by appearing in any kind of magazine or pursuing the career as a model. These are just a couple of the unseen issues that may get glossed over when talking about transferring the rights to your voice and face. Humanoid robots are complicated and demanding constructions for which various businesses are battling. SoftBank has announced the semi-retirement of Pepper, a humanoid robot. Meanwhile, Amazon's new Astro robot, which is simply an Alexa gadget on wheels, wears a smile after more than 800 people worked on it for 4 years. Even Singularity Net's Grace, a successful humanoid robot, is merely the head and upper body of a woman, not a fully mobile humanoid. Elon Musk recently stated that a humanoid Tesla bot is in the works and that a prototype will be ready next year. But that timeframe has been met with skepticism. Finally, the successful applicant will be required to sign a licensing agreement permitting them to use their image for a continuous period of time. The fact that they will be able to utilize your voice and visage indefinitely is a bit disturbing. Wouldn't it be amazing if, in the case of a robot apocalypse, the robots appeared to be at least pleasant and kind? There we have it, which brings us to the end of today's video. So what do you think about this company offering $200,000 just to use your face? Would you be willing to relinquish the rights to your own face and voice? Please leave your answers in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tesla News Hangout, where we talk about Tesla and electric vehicles. While you're at it, hit the bell so you never miss any of our videos, as more exciting ones like this are on the way. In the next one, I'll see you.